Okay guys, let's talk about driving in a parking lot. I have a large cargo van, and so what I want to do, I'm going to make a left turn here. So I'm going to turn the wheel very slow. I want to split it in the middle, because if I turn it too short, I'm going to hit that vehicle. The vehicle's on the left. If I turn wide, I'm going to hit the vehicles on the right. And then I turn out. So I'm looking left, looking right. Parking lots are the most dangerous place. This is a kind of unique parking lot. We're in a college town, and I'm picking up a content creator, so you have a lot of college students who just kind of park anywhere. So I'm looking left and right, and I will be making a left turn. I'm just looking where I'm going. Turn the wheel slow, gas out very slow, and be patient. I'm turning out. I'm actually looking. I think I'm lost, but I'm going to look around for the building. Now this is a speed bump. This will bottom out our vehicle, so I'm going to go very slow and cover my brake, because you're going to feel the vehicle go up and down. So now, see, I just went up. You feel all that torque. Oh my God, this windshield is cracked. You can see it right here. So that torque could end up cracking the windshield. I'm going to go over very slow, and you can hear it. And now I'm going to take my time looking where I'm actually looking through the glass. Look where you want to go. This is the A-pillar. This will obstruct your view. And then I'm turning out slow, and I'm still turning. I'm going to make a left turn, looking left, looking right, and I'm going to turn slowly. And if I hit the gas too hard, see how I lose control? Don't ever hit the gas hard. Use the ball of your foot. I'm just going very slow. And then I'm gonna make another left. I'm looking and I'm turning slow. This vehicle is so long, you have to park on the end and the back, because I don't want to block anyone. I'm taking my time, and I turn out. And I'm looking left, looking right. I see the pedestrians. The big thing about this vehicle, you have a bigger field of vision. Then I'm gonna make a right. So I'm looking. If I cut it short, I'll hit the curb, so I have to be mindful. So I gotta go it a little bit wide. And then if I let the wheel go, which I don't want to do, and then I'm gonna have to make a right. So I'm looking, checking, and going up very slow. And if you've seen a school bus turn or a larger, and I'm not saying this is big as a school bus, but it is much larger. Wow, look at that fender. So I'm coming down to the end, and I have to make a left turn, but if I turn short, I'm gonna hit that left curb. If I turn wide, I'm gonna hit that truck. So I'm gonna go up, and then I'm gonna turn really easy, and then I'm gonna turn out, because I want to keep control of this larger vehicle. And I'm looking, you see me turning that wheel, and then I turn out. I'm trying to keep it short, and I'm just looking and scanning, because people will pop up, pop out. And I'm gonna make another left. Oh my God, there's another speed bump. So it's really gonna flex. And hopefully this windshield is, oh my God, it's cracked. So I'm gonna go over really slow. I'm gonna split it over the middle, because my vehicle's larger. Man, you can feel that torque just twisting the whole frame. I'm gonna make a left. I'm turning, and I'm going over. They're from Ontario, is our brother. To Ontario, our brother from the north. So I'm turning out really easy. And if I hit this gas, this thing must have a turbo, low speed torque. This thing is crazy. And then I gotta make a right, and I gotta go farther than a car. You can see me really looking. Actually, I'm leaning forward, and then I'm turning out. I'm gonna have to make another turn, and you see me really turning this wheel. This is a good steering tutorial. And I'm turning out. It's a nice looking Mustang. So very little tread on the back. So I'm looking, checking, and I don't want to cut this turn short. I do not want to go over the curb. So I'm gonna go out a little bit wider. Curb is to the door now. I turn, man, this torque in this thing. I'm gonna go out real easy. Oh, you can see how all those cars go over that speed bump, and that will destroy them. See a car that's popped up like it's doing a wheelie. Let's look at this vehicle. Okay, we're gonna see how they pop up. That could destroy their car. So I'm just taking my time, no blinker. I'm gonna go over really easy, and you can feel that torque. Yep. I think it's the 700. My battery died. So I'm just looking, checking traffic. And I'm gonna have to turn